20-year-old Omaria Williams, otherwise called Popsy, was shot and killed by armed men along a section of the Portobello Main Road in the parish on Tuesday. According to police reports, residents heard gunshots about 9:25 a.m. and alerted the police. On the arrival of the lawmen, William was discovered lying on his side along the roadway with multiple gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police are seeking dialogue with dancehall artist Jashi after the entertainer's name was linked to a murder committed in the community of Grand Spence St. Andrew on June 7. The dead man has been identified as 45-year-old businessman Omar Wright, otherwise called Romy. Wright is the brother of an alleged don from the area. Nationwide News understands that Wright was killed on Shortwood Road about 10:40 p.m. hours after an alleged altercation between himself and Jashi's mother. The rumors are that Wright and Jashi's mom got into a verbal and physical dispute where he allegedly threw water in her face. Wright was allegedly confronted by Jashi hours later, and a quarrel reportedly ensued. The police say armed men later confronted Wright at his business place where he was shot several times. It's rumored that Wright's brother, who lives overseas, has vowed to avenge his death. Superintendent Sherika Service, who heads the St. Andrew North Police Division, told Nationwide News on Tuesday that the area has been tense since the incident. Superintendent Service says the police are keen to speak with Jashi. There was drama in Kingston on Monday after an Excelsior High School student and a woman, said to be a mother, got into a fight, much to the delight of the other school children. The incident, which was captured on video, has gone viral on social media. It is unknown what grade the child was in or what triggered the physical confrontation. Students from at least 2 other schools were present. The video starts with the mother draping the child as other students look on and laugh. When the mother hit the student, the child retaliated and hit her back. This was where the fight started. They went from a section of a fence to under a bus stop and almost ended up in the street. Several students intervened and attempted to part the fight by pulling the schoolgirl. A man eventually got in between them and pulled the daughter away, while other students held on to the mother. The video ended shortly after. Efforts to speak to the representative from the Excelsior High proved futile up to press time.